Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys this new thing right here on Musical.ly TikTok, and that is the Slowmo hack. It's basically where you switch from fast motion to slow-mo in 0.00001 second, and that's pretty much it. Because if you guys know, if you're filming a Musical.ly like that and then you switch into slow-mo, you have to stop recording and you have to switch to slow-mo and then you record again, and sometimes it's just like, you know, like what this crispy pie right now. For this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you could switch from fast motion to slow motion in, like, you know, very tiny second. And this one's been going around Musical.ly/TikTok, and some of you guys actually commented on my videos asking how to do the slow-mo hack. So now I'm gonna answer your questions, and yeah. By the way, before I show you guys how to do the slow-mo hack, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, then let me know right now in the comment section, and shout out to these people for turning on my post notifications, and you guys are amazing, like, oh my goodness. So now let me show you guys how to do the slow-mo hack. So right now, just go to your TikTok/Musical.ly app, and once you get on your Musical.ly app, you're basically once you're in your Musical.ly app, just pick a song that you want to do the slow-mo hack with, and for me, I'm gonna be picking from my saved audios, like hello. So I'm gonna be checking my favorites and just pick a song from there. I'm gonna do this because it's so dramatic, so let's be dramatic right now, like hello drama queen. Okay, so this is how the slow-mo hack works. Let's say you're filming on the fast motion like that, you know, like hello to you, like let's say you're recording on the fast motion one and you want to switch to slow-mo, like, you know, very smoothly. The way that you're gonna do this is that you're gonna make sure that you have the fast motion pressed already on this one, and for you to switch into slow motion later on, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be holding on to 0.5 right here. When you click on the record option, you're gonna be letting go of the 0.5 as fast as you can. So basically, I'm gonna do like this, and then I'm gonna let it go at the same time I'm pressing the record option. It's like, what? Basically what I did is that I had the fast option on here, and then I hold down the 0.5 right here, and I let go as soon as I click on record. And as you could hear right now, the audio is slow. And to switch on slow motion, you just let go of your hand right here and click again. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time, and let's see if this works out correctly. What the heck is this? It's so smooth, like That was so smooth. Do you guys not see this right now? Like, you could tell that it is smooth because you couldn't tell any cuts at all. It just like started like vibrating, like boom bum bum, ripple transition, and that's pretty much it. And once you're done, then be sure to put in the hashtag #SkySfam if you do try it out, so I can see how you guys' videos turn out, and I'm so excited to see them. So better let me know ASAP, okay? Okay, so that is pretty much it on how you could do the new slow-mo hack for TikTok/Musical.ly, and so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or anything like that, then as always, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer them. Again, if you're new to my channel, then thank you so much for getting to this part of the video, and I hope you're subscribed, and hopefully we could be friends, and all of those fun stuff. If you have a Musical.ly and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at LifeWithErick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, in which the links being down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay? Okay. Bye!